Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Toribongolan, and in this video, I will walk you through the future of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI application that was developed by OpenAI. It was launched last November 2022, and since it was launched, it gained tractions, no? Too much tractions from the internet, from the different social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other platforms. And because of the tractions about the ChatGPT, authorities and organizations are trying to find ways how to block, kill, or ban ChatGPT, because they are thinking that it can kill most of the human activities. Like yours truly, as a data scientist, as an analyst. Do you know that sooner or later, or even today, I've asked ChatGPT to perform and to do statistical calculation, and the application was able to calculate the statistics based on my command, based on the prompts that I just inputted on the interface. And while I am afraid that my skills is being replaced by this chatbot, I still made my time. I still give my time to collect, compiled some of the prompts that you can use, that you can try it on your own. What is also being important to note is that ChatGPT, can act as an opinion maker. You give the news and you ask ChatGPT to know and learn its insight about the article and any other. Alright, so to give you the whole background, the whole scenario, and other important things.
Because of its wide range of capabilities and functionalities, it is expected to learn more skills in the next coming days and weeks. Authorities are now trying to find ways on how they can ban, suspend, or kill the full implementation of this OpenAI application called ChatGPT, because they consider and think that ChatGPT is a killer of human activities. It can kill the professionals, such as the developer, programmer, data scientist, analyst, and all other professionals. Sooner or later, this can take human activities and they can perform any other activities where only human can think about. Let's say, for example, this ChatGPT can act as a talent coach, can act as a programming interpreter, can act as Stack Overflow post, as an emoji translator, as a statistician, as a developer, as an analyst, and all other capabilities. It is also expected to kill Google. Let's try Google and let's ask about what if the assumptions of parametric statistics are violated. What should we do? And if we try to search the Google, these are the results. There are so many results wherein we really don't know the exact link that we need to read. It will not give you the exact answer. But if we try to use ChatGPT ask the same question, it will give you the exact answer. Okay? So if the assumptions of parametric statistics are violated, it can affect the validity of the statistical test and conclusions. There are few options you can consider if you suspect that the assumptions have been violated. Use non-parametric tests. Transform the data. Use the robust statistical methods. Consider the consequences of the assumption violation. In some cases, the assumption violation may not be severe enough to greatly affect the results of the statistical test. In these cases, it may be acceptable to proceed with the analysis as long as you are aware of the potential impact of the result. So as you can see, the difference between Google search engine and ChatGPT is very different. ChatGPT can give you the exact answer that you need to look for. Another thing is that as a data scientist, as a statistician, although, I am afraid that sooner or later, ChatGPT can replace the skills that I have. So let's say, for example, this is the attrition data, and I downloaded this data from Kaggle. So I'll try to command ChatGPT to perform a statistical methods to do the chi-square test. Okay? So create a contingency table using the below data. First row is the title or name of the variable, and then I can just paste the data. So here is a contingency table based on the data you provided. As you can see, this contingency table can only be coming from the advice of a statistician like yours truly. And all you need to do, if you don't have any idea about statistics and you are trying to create a contingency table, imagine with just one chat, this platform can help you perform the calculation that you need. Okay? Perform and compute and calculate the chi-square test of the above contingency table. So while waiting for the result, these are the different prompts. These are the different skills that you can try it on your own. Act as a language detector, as a salesman, as a commit message generator, and so on and so forth. Okay? So it can also act as interviewer, as a data scientist. All you need to do is to, let's say, I wanted to use act as AI. Alright? So let's ask ChatGPT to act as, okay, this one, UI UX developer. So this will replace UI UX developer. So as you can see, the result of the calculation is this. Okay? So you don't need to worry about hiring a statistician. Okay, let's just copy. I just copy these prompts. Okay, and I can just paste it here. Sure, I'd be happy to help that. Here are few ideas for improving the navigation system of your mobile application. Okay, so while waiting for the answer, if you want to integrate ChatGPT in your legacy system, I have listed the different steps, benefit of integrating ChatGPT to company legacy system. Integrating a chatbot like ChatGPT into the company's legacy system could potentially have several benefits, including improve the efficiency, enhance customer experience, cost savings, data collection, and analysis. Based on this second result, right, it it seems to be replacing the customer contact centers in general. Because if you successfully integrate ChatGPT in your legacy system, you no longer need the help of a customer service representative. You no longer need the help of the customer contact centers. All you need to do is to implement, to integrate, and to train the ChatGPT. Okay? Integrate it in your system and let the AI helps you out. And these are the steps in integrating ChatGPT to your company legacy system. There are several steps that you can follow to integrate ChatGPT into your company legacy system. Determine the specific goal and task that you want ChatGPT to perform. This will help you tailor the integration to meet your specific needs. Install ChatGPT on a server or hosting platform that is compatible with the company's legacy system. Connect ChatGPT to your company's legacy system using an API, application programming interface, or other integration method. Train ChatGPT on relevant data and tasks using prompts and training data that are specific to your company and goals of the integration. You can test ChatGPT to ensure that it is functioning correctly and meeting your desired objectives. And then deploy ChatGPT and monitor its performance to make any necessary adjustments and improvement. Okay, so here is the OpenAI website. If you want to integrate ChatGPT in your company legacy system, all you need to do is to click this API. And you can now create or log in first, sign up, and then get started. Okay, so this is how. Okay, and once you create your account, you can now start building an application specific to your organization. All right, specific to your organization. Therefore, if you were able to successfully integrate ChatGPT to your legacy system, you no longer need the help of a customer contact centers. Okay? ChatGPT can help also e-commerce store to market their products and services. ChatGPT can also help content creators in YouTube because it can help creators to develop and build videos that can be uploaded in YouTube and all other social media platform. Alright? So if you want to get to know more about the different prompts that you can try on your own, go to this website, statisticsdoctor.com, and go to the conversation and click on technology and analytics, and then read all about this. Okay. So another request from developers, from data scientists like yours truly, statistician, and all other professionals, if you have additional prompts or command to add in this list, please share your thoughts by putting in your comments here so that readers can be able to check this out. Alright, so that's all, and I hope this will not 100% replacing us. Thank you.